Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be taking a look at the Under Armour Apparition silhouette in 3 different color variations. To my left we've got the Vapor Green and this beautiful metallic silver colorway. Then we have the Castlerock metallic black color scheme, and last but not least the Astro part colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek at all 3 colors. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome and be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing segments and styling reviews. Today we are going to be talking about the Under Armour Apparition silhouette in 3 different color variations, thanks to the Under Armour team for sending these my way. So we'll go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit. Then we'll talk about how I styled these both casually but also a little bit more dressy. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're going for on the retail market currently. Let's jump right into it. All right, so as far as the 3 different color variations, I feel like this has me completely set for the entirety of the year, especially for the springtime. I'm really loving some of the brighter colorways. One of my favorite out of the 3 has to hands down be the Vapor Green and the metallic silver colorway. I do love this kind of minty fresh tone. So as far as the silhouette goes in general, this originally released back in 2009, this specific silhouette. So it's been around for quite some time. This was actually one of Under Armour's very first silhouettes. Basically, this color scheme, I think out of the 3, may potentially be my favorite. I don't know, it's kind of a toss-up between this Castlerock metallic black and this variation, but I do also like this Astro pink for the summertime. So as far as the upper goes, it's completely breathable. You can see how much meshing we've got on the paneling on the toe box here. This one is in some varying types of gray. So we've got some charcoal grays, lighter gray hues on the meshing, and then pops of that metallic silver. Then we've got light heather gray laces, and then that Under Armour logo is in black with a little bit of extra branding on the bottom here. So it actually says foot sleeve in black as well. And then we do have pops of that beautiful kind of tealish turquoise green accented throughout. All right, so wrapping around the side panels, this is where we've got more silver and gray hues, and then the Under Armour logo is in this beautiful green pop of color, and then you'll see that a little bit on the top of the collar here as well as below here. Then we've also got more silver hues spread throughout and the same color blocking on the lateral side of the sneaker. The interior is covered in gray and teal, and then as we work our way to the bottom, we've got white and this beautiful Vapor Green with some light gray hues, and it's completed with gray, white, and that same beautiful Vapor Green on the bottom. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. colorway, we've got the Castlerock and metallic black. This is also just a really nice neutral tone if you're looking for something that really is just easy to complement within your wardrobe. As far as the color scheme goes and the materials, same exact as this vapor green, except that we do have a little bit different shades. Still got the metallic theme going on here, but this is a little bit different. It is in this really nice darker shade of metallic. And then we've got some nice hues of just a darker grayish black hue in the middle for the meshing. I do love how they intermix the cream laces with this. I love using cream and darker shades for color blocking. I just think that it makes styling very easy because you've got these two complementing colors. And the Under Armour branding is actually a little bit more subtle on this. It is in black with that darker metallic black tone. Wrapping around to the medial and the lateral side paneling, we've got the darker shades of that meshing and just dark shades of this metallic black with this kind of pearlescent black hue. As we wrap around to the back, the branding is in the simple black hue and the same color blocking on the lateral side. The interior is in a silver and grayish hue. Then the sneaker is completed in a lovely off-white cream tone with white and charcoal grays with some darker black hues and the same gray and cream hues for the outsole. Move on to the refreshing summer colorway, which is the Astro pink tone. I feel like this is just a very fun and vibrant color scheme. Very different from these two variations, which I like. So we still have the same meshing and same types of materials. This time though, we have a pearlescent white and a nice dark charcoal black tone. Then we've got some nice pops of that Astro pink popping through for the Under Armour branding. And then we've got some just nice simple white laces. Moving along to the medial and lateral side of the sneaker, we have the nice simple color blocking of that Astro pink, the darker shade of grayish black. And then we've got white, which works its way to the back of the heel, and then pops of the Astro pink pop on the Under Armour branding. And then we have the same color scheme going on for the lateral side. Then when we work our way down to the midsole, we've got white, charcoal gray, and Astro pink, and then the same color scheme goes for the outsole. Definitely let me know in the comments, which is your favorite color scheme out of the three for this specific silhouette. I do think they're also very different, but I love them all in different ways. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would definitely say stick true to size in this one. So I'm typically a men's 7.5 or a woman's size 9, and I love how malleable the toe box is here. I think that the structure makes it very easy for your toes to really just have a bit of wiggle room in there. There is some nice soft hover cushioning in here as well, which gives you some great energy return, but also makes it feel very pillow-like when you're walking in these. But overall, just a great comfortable sneaker, and it fits true to size. Now let's talk about styling. So I styled each of these with a more kind of dressed up look, but also a casual look. So we'll start with the Vapor Green variation. So for this sneaker, I decided to wear a green maxi skirt, and then I wore just a simple charcoal gray crew neck sweatshirt. And then for the sportier look, I decided to wear that same crew neck, but with some Under Armour black pants. For the Castlerock and metallic black color variation, I decided to go with a kind of beigeish tone jacket to match the laces and the midsole, and I wore a nice just simple white skirt. And then for the sportier look, wore that same jacket, but this time around with some black Under Armour pants. Then for the Astro pink colorway, I decided to wear a monochromatic look with a nice ruffled mini white dress. And then for the sportier look, decided to wear a black bandeau with those Under Armour pants and a black hue. As far as retail goes, these three each retail for $110, and they're currently all available at Foot Locker or online. So definitely, if you're looking for a really fun lifestyle sneaker to dress up or dress down, I feel like these three colorways are some great options, and just an all over great style looking sneaker that's also very comfortable to walk around in all day. All right, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all in the next episode.